Greetings, greetings, greetings. When you get good news from God, what you do? You question it, you go investigate it, you jump up and down for joy, you go tell other people about it, you sit down and think about it, or you do all of the above. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear the good news in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 2 from verse 8 to verse 20. That night there, some shepherd did a look after them sheep in a one field near where Mary them did there. One of the Lord angel them come to the shepherd them. One bright light from God cover them and he make them frightened so till. So the angel tell them say, "No afraid. Me have good news for you. News we're gonna make everybody happy. The one we're gonna save on born today in a town where David come from. Him a Christ, the Lord. I'm gonna tell you now when we go see. So when you don't see that, you gonna know say a him. You gonna see one baby wrap up in a one baby blanket and a lay down in a box with the animal them near motor. All of a sudden, whole heap of angel from heaven join him. Them did a praise the Lord and say, praise God where they are heaven. And peace for everybody where God happy with. After the angel them left and go back to heaven, the shepherd them said to them one another, make we go Bethlehem, go see all of what the Lord tell we about. Them hurry and go find Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus, where they lay down in the bed, we make out a dry grass. When they see them tell everybody all of what the angel did say about the baby. And everybody will hear what the shepherd them say, shock. But Mary, she keep what they say in her heart and think about them all the time. The shepherd them go back to their sheep and praise God for all what they hear and see. Because everything them did see and hear are just like how the angel did tell them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.